What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And in this video I'm gonna show you 5 life hacks, 5 food life hacks. Let's check this out. So first I'm gonna show you how to cut a watermelon into perfect cubes. Let's check this out. First we're gonna just cut it in half. Like that, you have 2 halves. Then we're gonna cut it in quarters. Then we're gonna grab 1/4 and cut it like this. Then when we're done with that, we're gonna cut it like this into 45-degree angle and just slice it like that. 1, 2, 3. It depends how big is your watermelon. You can go deeper or not as deep, you know. Look, it's all separating already. 3, 4. And then all you have to do is go from this side right here and just cut it from the husk. Don't go too deep. You see, it's already separating. This is a very small watermelon. Same thing on the other side. Just cut it from the husk. And guess what? Look, it's already all separated. And you have watermelon cubes. You see what I'm saying? Perfect watermelon cubes. Okay, for this food life hack, I'm gonna show you how to cut a mango. Super easy and super cool. Just cut it like that. You know, there's gonna be a small seed in there. Just cut it like that, turn it around, and just cut it like that again. Around the seed, just like that. And you can suck on this one later, you know, there's a little bit really hard to get this stuff, so you can suck on it and chew on it and stuff. So then what you wanna do is cut little lines like that. But don't cut the skin, just the fruit. And then you cut it like this way. Then simply just push this one out like this. Boom. And look, you got right in there. And then you can just grab a knife and cut it from the peel really easily. You see? And you got all these cubes right here. Very tasty too. So just go ahead and pull them off. Just like this. Of course, you can make this one as big as you like. So just cut it with that kind of motion. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm not a good cook at all. So then just pull it out like that and look at this. Perfect. You can just slice them up from the peel. And now we have this cool little cubes of mango. Of course you can mix it up with watermelon cubes and have a nice fruit salad. This life hack I got a kiwi. Make sure you wash them. But first we're gonna cut it right here. Like that. And then smaller cut right here. Like that. And then you wanna cut it right here. A little tiny line right here, as you can see. Then you wanna grab a spoon and squeeze the spoon just like this all the way in. You see it? All the way in. And then just push it on a peel like that. Make sure you kinda push it with the finger like this. Right on a peel. Oh, look, it just slipped out a little bit. But look, you got a perfect avocado But look, you got perfect kiwi peeled off, and look, not much stuff in the peel. Perfectly and easy. For this food life hack, I'm gonna show you how to cut a pineapple. What we're gonna do in the beginning, just cut off this part right here. Then need this part and the bottom part, just like that. So after you cut the bottom and top, stand it up like that and cut it in half. Then we want to cut it in quarters. As you know, in the middle right here, this is a really tough part. It's really not good to eat. So we're gonna cut it off. Just stick your knife like that, and from this side right here, you'll see the edge of it is kind of different color. It's a little bit whiter than the other part. After you did this, you wanna go ahead and slide this in half. Then you can just go ahead and do this part. Then what you wanna do is cut it from the bottom right here. And look, you have these little pieces of pineapple. What I'm gonna do is grab it and cut it in half. Just like that. And then what I wanna do is grab with a spoon or handle and just stop it on this side. And guess what? You wanna,
the seeds come out?
Yep, you wanna grab a bowl though, not this kind of plate, and seeds all come out in a plate. Look at this. Look how simple it is. Except if you had a bowl, they wouldn't fly out. So try it yourself. Cut it.
Okay, so like this?
Just cut it in half.
Alright.
Look at this. Almost all of them out. And of course, if they had spoons, that would be even better.
What, to tap them with the spoon?
Yeah. But look, all of them have been out. Look, after tapping a little bit, all of them have been gone. Well, a little bit have stuck. Same thing on this side. And yeah, I think you smashed it a little bit too hard now.
Yeah, but look.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Totally worked.
Yeah, and if you have a little bit of like skin, you can just take it out and simply have, look, all of them without any like. Take it easy, boy. Alright guys, I never ate a kiwi just like that as a whole. You know, I usually peel it, cut it in 4 pieces. I've never done this. Let's try it out. So juicy. Oh my god, this is way better. Is this kiwi all over your mouth? Actually, this is the best way to eat the kiwi. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think, comments below. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'm sure you did. And if you have more ideas for food life hacks and stuff like that, put links in description, comment below, and hopefully there's a lot of cool ideas you're gonna get me. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. By the way, subscribe to my second channel, Slow Mo Lab. Links in description. I do cool videos with my brother with the most epic slow motion camera. Anyway, see you next time.
Oh my gosh!
Look at that expand.
Whoa, let's check it out.
Oh my goodness, look at this. It's almost, it's melted. Look, it's melted. Isn't it insane?